Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make dot projector for any iPhone X, XS Max or 11 series or 12 series. All method is same. Today I will guide you complete method. First of all, check Face ID. Okay. See, it's asking for position your face. Okay, you can see here. Okay, what we have to do first of all to check this one. Go to camera, front camera, portrait. If it's making here portrait, see portrait not working. If it's making here portrait and it's coming like yellow, so it's mean your dot projector is okay, your illuminator projector is damaged, it's not working properly. It's here in front Airflix. I will show you like this. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, it's not making portrait and not detecting the face. So what we have to do, just take out LCD. Okay, I keep here. Okay, then I will take out dot projector module. Okay, so you can see here easily. So first of all, this is JCV1S. It's a V1S, you can see here. Okay, so first of all, it's a iPhone X. So connect here with Xdock. Click on test. See, it's asking. Is showing you abnormal. Everything is abnormal, 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 abnormal. What we have to do, first of all, click on read. See, file 001B is readed. Okay, after reading, take out the module. Okay, and it's a mother. It's a holder for Face ID module. Okay, so what we have to do? Oh, my hot air is unplugged. Just a minute, I will plug my hot air. Now my hot air is working. Give a little bit heat, not too much. Okay, so it's removed. Then lightly like this. Make a little bit hot, not too much like icy. Just make little bit warm. So see, I just put like this sliver 009. See, just a minute, I will be back. So just remove this white glue. Make it clean. You can see here like this, your sliver is working 009 like this, moving. Okay, okay, now I have to change my view microscope, and let me focus it first. You can see here, yes, you can see before opening. See, here is the, you can see here is a purple line, like so. The difference is here leaving like this user size only. Okay, you can see here, and also you can see here the measurement. This left and right side is equal from here sensor to here sensor. Okay, first of all I give little bit heat. I will give it little bit heat and pull out. So simply see it, just pull it out. You can feel when it's pulled out. Now I will take it out, see, easily. You can see it's pulled out easily. So I will change my camera view. Okay, done. So I will take it. So first of all, what we have to do, remove this flex uh, strip. I will remove this strip, then I will change new one. Give a little bit heat, not too much. I will pull out like this, give a little bit heat and try to pull out. So next step is I will clean this black glue. See here, I can show you. See, just clean this black glue for adjustment. So next step is make it clean. Put here a little bit flux, just touch it, do not grab it too much. See, make this area is like dry, do not make wet. So now I will clean this total solder. Uh, make it clean. Do not try to make it dry, do not make too much wet, so it's good for work. See, it's getting clean nicely. You can see here. Okay, now make it straight like this. Okay, what we have to do, first of all, remove this crystal IC. I have to remove this IC. Pull out like this fast. Okay, now what I have to do, I will apply a jumper. You can see here. Connect these points to each other. Okay, done. Jumper is done. So my next step is, okay, I have to change camera view. And I will show you what I have to do. This is JC Face ID cable. I will change this flicks. This flicks is already reballed. No need to reball again anything. Paste little bit, put flux, and okay, so give a little bit heat from side, not from upside, from side corners like this. You can see. So now I have to check this, it's working or no. Click on test. See, everything is normal and these lights are purple, like blue purple, you can say here, normal, 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 normal. Okay, click on burn. Ensure. Done. Now check again. Must be checked. NTC is normal. Okay. If it's not normal, so it means it's not working. It will never detect your face. Same, still in same process. Same condition. Sorry. So I have a beautiful tool to alignment this. this is Conley Face ID dot projector calibrator. So I will take out this one. It's for X axis and axis max. Simply what you have to do, I have to do, put in like this, and after that insert the cable. Okay, now we have to align this cable. So simple plug on it. I will show you in my microscope, you can understand very well. So see, now here is a gap, and see, here is a dot projector. I show you here is not aligned, so I will push little bit back like this. You can align manually, no problem, but it's easy for beginners. See, here is align okay, so I have to align from back side. It's also done. So what I have to check more, yes, it's looking pretty good. So see, now it's settled. So what we have to do, I am using simple this glue, super glue, simple. So I will put here little bit super glue. Okay, and give little bit heat like this, so super glue get dry instantly. So other side same like this. I will put a little, I will give little bit heat. I will change my view. So just like this, now it's dry instant. Now I have to clean dot projector lens with 530. It's a liquid cleaner. So next step is, let's check. Now it's aligned on his place. So clean this area. Must be clean. Now have to check, I have to align the LCD first and then have to check. Yes, yes, it's working, you can see. And one more thing, major thing is sometimes it's scanning the face but unable to unlock. If not unlocked, it's mean see it's unlocked. Otherwise I will remove my face. You can see it's passcode. It's asking for passcode. You can see now it's unlocked. Many time I saw this problem. People are stuck on unable to unlock. Scanning is okay, but it's not making unlock. So it's working perfect. I will try once more. Set up alternative. Yes. Done. Now it's working perfect. Same like original. Thank you for watching my video. I hope uh, you will get a little bit help from my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I have also launched a website same as per my name, repairingarena.com. So keep in touch. Next video is iPhone 11 Face ID repair, and other next video is iPhone 11 Pro. I will make all series. Thank you.